Hi everyone, Rebecca Williams here again with RW Realty here in Wendell, North Carolina. Today we're going to talk about some things that you need to make sure you do or don't do when looking to buy your first home. So first things first, if you're looking to buy a home, you have got to talk to a mortgage broker unless you're buying cash. So the mortgage broker is going to be able to pull your credit, let you know what types of loan products you qualify for, what those payments would look like, how much cash you would need out of pocket. They can also help you improve your credit, give you some ideas on what you can do there in order to qualify for a better rate or increase your purchasing power. So very critical that you talk to them first. A good realtor will not take you to see a home without a pre-approval letter. That's just unfair to you, it's unfair to the realtor, and it's unfair to the seller of that property. So make sure you're talking to a lender. If you need a recommendation, reach out. I have some great ones in my pocket that I can give you. Next thing, you want to make sure that you're up to date on market trends. And a lot of this is going to be relying on your realtor and trusting them. They know what's happening in the area, and those trends are going to help you to determine if you have enough cash set aside for the market the way it's working right now in order to put down those deposits and different things. Even if you have a no down payment loan, you still need some cash. And your realtor is going to be able to explain to you what those deposits are looking like in the area and what other things you can expect as you move forward with purchasing a home. Next thing, you want to make sure you never skip a home inspection. They are optional from the lender's point of view. And if you're buying cash, you don't have to have any inspections done at all. However, they are going to let you know what you're buying. This is probably the most expensive thing you've ever purchased in your life. Paying $500 or $600 to have some inspections done is going to go a long way in giving you a peace of mind that you're buying something that is sound investment. Next thing you want to do is make sure you're budgeting for additional costs. So things like moving expenses, deposits for your utilities. If you've never had a utility account, you're probably going to have deposits to pay there. You want to make sure you have a little bit of cash set aside in case some repairs are needed that the seller's not willing to do before you move into the house. So make sure you have a little extra cash set aside. And again, having a good consultation with your realtor, they're going to be able to give you some ideas on what some of those things might be, depending on your price point, the locations you're looking in, all different types of factors. Number 5, you want to make sure that whatever area you're shopping in, you're working with a realtor that has worked in that area. For instance, I am based out of Wendell, North Carolina. I do a lot of business in all of Wake and Johnston County. I've done some in Nash, some in Harnett, little sprinklings here or there, but I try not to go too far out of my area because the market is different and I'm not going to be as up to date. There are different inspection items that are going to pop up if you're out near the coast or up in the mountains that we don't deal with here. So I'm not going to be the best person sometimes to help you. So if I come up with clients that have issues and they're looking outside of my general area of expertise, I'm typically going to refer them out to somebody else. So if you're asking questions of your realtor and they seem a little unsure, maybe you should ask them if they would like to refer you to someone that's more in tune with what's happening in the areas you're looking in. That is what I've got for you today. It's a lot to wrap your head around. If you would like to have a buyer's consultation, please feel free to reach out. That really is the first step you should be taking. Even if you're a year or more out from buying, have that consultation with us now. We can give you some steps to kind of put you in the right direction. Make sure you're set up for success when you are ready. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon.